4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, they're all gonna go to the right. I got 2 with you to your side, Josh. He's running. 2 are running on you. Engage. There's still one more over here.
Yeah, there's 2.
To your left. Greg, Nate, stay down. I got a guy in that window to your front. I got him. Reloading. Alright, that was me. In the house, on the corner.
We got on the right side. Just the guy in the house corner in the back behind the trenches.
Got him.
Try and get him. I got a gun failure. I'm going to run back and get my other one.
He ain't got the range. He's bouncing him off the ground. Chino, do not come back to that wall. Stay right there. The kid with the red shirt's right over here. I got him. One over here, one over here.
That's Greg. That's Greg.
Is that Greg?
Yeah.
Got both of them. I got 2 of them.
The red shirt's right here.
Right here on the side of the wall. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey! You can't tell him to watch his back. You're dead. Can't do that.
I heard your footsteps. I didn't hear him. Honestly.
Yeah, but you blind fired too.
No blind firing?
No, we don't do blind fire, bro. I'll give it to you. Hey! I'll give it to you. But we don't ever stick barrels because if my head was down there, you would have got me in the mouth. You could have took out one of my teeth.
Fair enough.